you're selling something to somebody, and every great entrepreneur and every CEO and every founder is a great salesperson if they're successful. The second you sense that they like the product or service you're offering, then you have to immediately stop talking. And the reason is because if they sense that you're overselling, then they might sense desperation. You're trying too hard to sell something because it's too good to be true. And so it's important to really stop talking once you sense that they're interested. Okay. Otherwise, they'll second guess themselves. They're like, "Oh my God, that seemed like the best investment idea ever, or the best product or service ever. Why does he or she keep selling it though? Am I missing something? Gosh, I don't want to be a sucker here." It's kind of like that. Okay. So the second you sense they're interested, please stop. It's very important. And now, in terms of continuing to sell until you sense they're interested, this is a separate topic now. The best CEOs I've ever met here in the Valley, in Silicon Valley, they've taught me one thing, which is you keep selling. You're like a pit bull on a pork chop, sorry to use that analogy, but I want you to be relentless and keep selling and keep telling yourself while you're selling, all I heard was not no, because you got nothing to lose and everything to gain. And so, Rohit, I hope that answered your question.